How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be doing a whistling video. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at Dylanberg999. That's 999. So what we're going to do is we are going to practice whistling. That's what all these whistling videos are going to be. We're just going to practice whistling. So it'll be like whistling practice, and again, that's what the videos will be. So we'll do it for about 10 seconds, then we'll take a 50-second break. We'll do this for 5 minutes. So let's get started. Today we're whistling without fingers. So let's get started. 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds. You guys can hear that? That's good whistling. Now, again, this is just practice at home. I will give you guys some tips in these videos. The main tip for whistling is a strong suction. So what I mean by this is your lips have to be tight. So like this. It should not be like this. It should be like this. You see how that's very tight? That's proper whistling technique. Tongue position is big too. So when I'm doing this, my tongue is like this. That's my tongue. My tongue position's like this. That's all it is. As simple as that, you guys. So we'll do another 10 seconds. And you can hear how loud that is. That's pretty damn loud. I mean, that's hurting my ears a little bit, but again, very, very good whistling technique. You guys will get better too. Just keep practicing, and yeah, you will get better. So if you guys didn't know, I've gotten rid of the hickey topic and I've replaced it with face fat and double chin. So getting rid of face fat and getting rid of double chin. It's going to be similar to the jawline videos, but we'll add in a few different exercises. But yeah, it's going to overlap a little bit, but it's good to get in more workouts for the chin, for the face fat, stuff like that. Another 10 seconds. Pretty sweet. I like doing these videos. They're pretty sweet. I need one more video. So again, I've added whistling, height growth, and chest fat. So I'm thinking maybe burning fat. That was something that I was going to go to, but I don't know. I don't know. I got push-ups, got chest fat. Pelvic floor, Kegels, weight loss, whistling, jawline. I don't know. So we'll do another 10. Like that. One more set, then we're done, you guys. One thing that I will do too is I kind of want a 5-minute video in here for after my chest fat. So the next topic I'm choosing, I kind of want it to be 5 minutes just so it gives me a little bit of a break. Because right now I'm doing, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 videos that are 10 minutes long. So having another one would be 9. I would rather have 8 videos that are 10 minutes long, 7 that are 5 minutes. So we'll do another 10 seconds. Just like that, you guys. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. Thank you.